let's talk about what makes up an RC4 wireless system. You have to have 5 components. First, you have to have a lighting console. Without DMX data, what's the point of having wireless dimmers? Second, you're going to need a transceiver, which will take your DMX data and send it out wirelessly to the dimmers. Third, you're going to need a wireless dimmer, such as this DMX 6DIMM. Fourth, you're going to need a load, such as a tungsten lamp or an LED source or even a solenoid. And then the last thing you need is a DC power source, such as a battery or a power supply. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.